I asked you guys who you think would win in a fight, Mike from Breaking Bad or Lloyd from Spy Family. I'm completely shocked by these results. Lloyd would destroy Mike in a fight. It's not even close. Don't get me wrong, Mike is awesome, and he's an expert in what he does. But Lloyd is on a completely different level. He has advanced fighting skills and can take on several opponents at once, even holding off Yor when she's drunk. And if that isn't enough to convince you, Lloyd's a genius with insane improvisation skills that has gotten him out of several tough spots. The only advantage Mike has is his years of experience, but that isn't enough to stop the overwhelming force of Lloyd. Mike would just be an annoying inconvenience in Lloyd's day-to-day.